I'm going to show you how to fix Clair Obscur issue. So for the first step, go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. As you can see here, I have the CPU and memory below 100%, so you must do that. Go through your services and application and processes running right here, and make sure to terminate any suspicious or useless application. Just right click on it and select End Task. After that, go to the search and type in Steam. Once you find it running, make sure to do the same thing as well. So right click on it and select End Task. Next, go to the search and type in Device Manager. Now select this application. After that, this window will pop up, so look for display adapters, double click on it, and make sure to select your AMD or NVIDIA graphics card. Do not select the integrated one, so right click and select Update Driver. After that, select Search Automatically for Drivers and select Close. Now close this, go to the Windows icon and select Settings. After that, go to the Windows Update and make sure to select the latest available updates. If you do find failed updates or even stuck updates like me, just go to the update history and then check the first two. You can uninstall any update that is suspicious, or you can select recovery, select the first option, and then select other troubleshooters. After that, select this run button right here and see if it works. For the next step, make sure to open the Steam launcher. After that, go to library and select collections. Now look for your game. The game must be installed, so select it. After that, click on this manage icon and click on properties. Select -DX11 or -DX12. After that, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Make sure to wait for the process to finish. It will start by verifying the original files of the game, and any corrupted or missing file will be automatically recovered and restored safely without the need to install the game from the start. And that's it.